Lane following assist helps keep the vehicle centered in the lane while driving. Press the lane driving assist button to toggle the function. If LFA detects a lane marking, the lane keeping assist indicator on the cluster changes to green. If the steering wheel is not held, it warns the driver. In the past, holding and moving the steering wheel would clear the warning. With the hands-on detection feature, simply hold the steering wheel to turn off the warning. If the warning doesn't turn off after a certain period, LFA deactivates.
Kia, movement that inspires.